What's up guys, finally most awaited good news is here from Samsung, and it is not a single one but these are two. First is this, that Samsung accidentally leaked their promo of Unpacked event. You can see this animation of Galaxy where it is clearly shown that these two boxes showing the Galaxy Fold 2 and other phone is Galaxy S20. And along with that we have also got the Unpacked event date of these two smartphones, that is 11th February 2020. So this is a good news that we now know the event date, that is 100% confirmed. And as we know, Samsung S11 name is going to be changed, and Samsung has adopted the model number 20 instead of 11. And in promo you can see there was nothing shown about Galaxy S20 or S11. I mean, no number was mentioned. This confirms that model number will absolutely be S20, S20 Plus and the S20 Ultra. Well, this thing is also confirmed now, and some of camera features have also been added into the One UI 2.0. We all know Samsung S20 lineup is going to have 108 megapixel custom camera sensor that will capture shots with high details according to XDA developers. Now One UI 2.0 support the Pro Video mode. Yes, this is something that Samsung used to add into their camera options a couple of years ago into their old flagships, but then ditched this feature for no reason. But now again Samsung is adding this feature into camera settings via software updates. The option is being added again by software updates, so there are also chances for this Pro mode to come into S10 and Note 10 like flagships. Well, this Pro mode gives you full control of video factors, like you can control ISO, shutter speed, color tones and focus. This gives you full control, as in Pro photo mode. We have seen the Pro photo mode on almost every device, but this Pro video mode not much. So this is also an exciting news, as this incredible feature is coming back so that you can make really pro and cinematic videos. Another feature that is added is the director's view that we have already seen on iPhone 11 Pro. This feature can help you to focus and track objects while switching between ultra wide and wide angle lens, keeping your subject in focus. That can give you amazing videography experience. And then another feature is a single take photo. This feature actually helps, and this mode uses AI. And then another feature is single take photo. This feature actually uses AI to take pictures of scenes, like when it detects a smile or like kiss, it automatically captures photo by knowing the framing. And this is also a good option for beginner photographers, so that they can capture shots without having issues with framing. So this thing is also amazing, that helps you and guides you to take better shots. Another one is bokeh mode that will be implemented in live focus mode we have seen on Galaxy Note 10 model. And here you can see this animation which is showing the super fast charging of Galaxy Fold 2 clamshell, and this animation's code name is Bloom. Full title is Bloom Front Charging Effect Super Fast, which shows that Galaxy Fold 2 will obviously support 25 watts of fast charging or a maximum of 45 watts. And this animation will be visible on the camera sides, as we have seen its leaked pictures where we have seen the Galaxy Fold 2 in folded state. When it is in folded state, it shows time and charging status on that little display. So there around the cameras, this animation will light up with proof of super fast charging. Well, all of these features regarding cameras especially are amazing, and we will see much information in upcoming days. So stay tuned by subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one.